Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Ali Soko and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're just coming back, I appreciate you. Thank you. I know it's been a long time, but if you notice, it looks a little bit different in here. And that's because we moved. This video is a house tour. Recently, my husband and I moved to Busan. The reasons we moved, well, there were a lot of them, but the space we were in before was just a little bit too small, and we got a good offer on a duplex. For those who don't know what a duplex is, it's pretty similar to a duplex. It's a lot different than the normal office style or apartment, and they are kind of like all over Korea, but usually in more suburban and less busy areas. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get ready for the house tour. Okay everyone, this is our apartment. It's not like the normal apartments you see on YouTube. We don't have the keypad. We actually have 2 key locks. That makes it quite interesting. Walking in, you can see we have our coat rack over here and our foot closet, our shoe closet, and our shoes and slippers for guests as well. Please excuse our house, it's a little messy. This is our living room area. It's quite lived in so far. Going forward into the office area, currently functioning as June's office, and Princess Gwen sitting there looking. Trying to keep the camera off of June because he does not like to be online, and his bookshelf full of figurines and all of our nerdiness. Gonna go ahead and, oh, Gwen says hi again. Go ahead and move to the kitchen. We got I love this kitchen so much. It's actually like a real kitchen. Got these highlights that go on really well. They're super bright. Got my oven. We got so much storage space. So much storage space. Down below, cabinet storage space. Up above, storage space. There is storage space all over this kitchen. It is probably my favorite place. And then outside the kitchen, we can go out the back door where we have my favorite view, which is these mountains. And as you can see, we have solar panels. Even our house has solar panels to cut down on electricity. Going back into the living room, we will now head into the bathroom. Unlike our old apartment, we don't have the separate shower. It is more like a wet room. Also, our washer is in here. But for some reason, I kind of prefer it. It's a lot bigger than our other bathroom, which makes it a lot more convenient. Hi! That's our toilet. And then moving on into the bedroom. Our bedroom is also a little bit messy, sorry. Bed there. This is my little streaming area, as you can see. All my stuff, all the teddy bears, all the makeup, closets, more storage space up top. We share this closet mostly, and then we also share this closet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the entire house. That is our duplex. I don't want to tell you guys how much we paid because we got it as a favor, so it was super cheap. So don't expect that. But thank you for watching. Bye.